Yeah, Empress, why me always I try to grow me hair and it always a crutch me. And like me ear root always full of dangers. How you do fit really help me here fit move away from that? I mean and dig out no whole heap of hair grease. You know in Jamaica we dig with finger down in the aisle, especially when we hear so tall, but yo, you can make that different. How you use really?
No, you know what it is? You have to, when you're using natural products, you have to use natural shampoo or conditioner, and it
Uh
helps the scalp. You cannot put natural product in your hair and you're using bad conditioners and,
so what which
shampoos.
product the one where you have as bestseller? Where you name the
It's
one where
called
you use?
Batana Oil.
Where you name?
Batana Oil.
Yo, people, check out Dr. Sebi. He recommend this. Honduras he come from, where Dr. Sebi was from the Batana tree of Honduras. They have whole heap on the internet, but are the watered down version. Yes, they add things to it, but this is straight from Honduras. We get it straight from a seller. You understand? Yo, listen to me. Me I tell you it work wonders. You see me here black and shiny from me start use this no scratch. So now me can grow me here finally. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Batana Oil, we have it for sale here. Yeah man, see the link below. Overseas I enjoy.